Hello, my name is Jessica from Peterson SEO, and today I had the privilege of speaking with Tina, who said she's new and not exactly sure who this should go to, but was 100% sure that somebody needed to see this video because there's several issues with your website that need to be addressed. So I'm hoping this gets in the right hands. Today I'm going to show you just a quick video on how to improve your website so you can bring in more customers for free. Now, here I am on your website and it is secure, which is perfect. It's exactly what you want. But one of the first problems we have is you have three completely unique niches on one website. It is almost impossible to get all of your keywords and derive that organic traffic to your pages without having separate sites. Each of these really should have their own websites, targeting their own keywords, getting their own backlinks and citations. The other thing is you have three locations for these two niches and two for this one. And so when you have multiple locations, you're going to need to have location pages with each of the services for each location listed as separate pages so you can go after those locality keywords. Your website has a little bit of content, but not nearly enough. If we're just focusing on just one of the niche, we'll go for roofing for now. Your niche should have approximately 1,500 words on your homepage targeting your buyer intent keywords. And what a buyer intent keyword is, it is the words that people are actually using to find the services that they need in their area. Since most people don't know a specific company name, they're going to be searching for roofing in Cincinnati, or roofing contractors, Ohio, or similar for each of your other locations. So even though you have a ton of keywords, most of your keywords are not helpful. They are not giving you the traffic that you need to actually sell and gain customers for each of your niches for each of these services. Let's take a look at one of your competitors in Cincinnati. Here is Deer Park Roofing, and here they're focused on the one niche, roofing. They have a nice website. They have a lot more content than you do on your site. So you're going to need to make sure that you have more content focused on those buyer intent keywords than your top competitors. The next thing I want to show you is here's a program called Ahrefs, and this is a program that we use to analyze how your business is performing. So AnyWeather.com has a domain rating of 25, which is the trust level that Google has in you, which is based off of your backlinks and relative keywords. You're getting currently for three niches and multiple locations, you have 3,000 backlinks and you're getting 444 visitors a month organically on your website accumulatively for every single location in each one of your niches. whereas your competitor has a domain rating of 27, so not much higher than you, and they only have 1.8 thousand backlinks, yet they're getting over 1,400 in traffic just for roofing in the Cincinnati area. So what this tells you is their backlinks are more authoritative than yours. So here are your backlinks. And what a backlink is when one website is linking to your website and drawing traffic to your website and pushing power to your website. Google likes this because it's like a popularity contest. So the more authoritative, the more power it'll give you. So being authoritative means it's a closely relative site, similar to your industry, similar to your niche. And so it'll be higher in ranking and it will push power to your site. As long as they are do follows. No follow links like this one do not give you a whole lot of help. They don't actually transfer any power to your website. So you definitely want to make sure that you have do follow links so that those websites are sharing the power and boosting you in the rankings for each of your locations, that each of your locations and each of your niches that you are targeting. Let's take a look at your keywords real quick. You have several keywords, but most of these keywords are not helpful. What's the weather? Florence, Kentucky weather, weather in Cincinnati. None of these type of keywords, regardless of the volume potential, are actually going to help you get customers. It's a waste of backlinks. It's a waste of keywords. You need to be focusing on buyer intent keywords for every location, for every service, and every niche. I want to show you one more thing. So when somebody puts in a search like roofing in Cincinnati, the first thing that pops up are your paid ads. The next thing you see is the Google Map Pack or Google My Business. And your goal should be to be in the top 3. You should have one for every single one of your niches, for every single one of your locations, and having them optimized. Being in the top 3 is really important because 30 to 40% of people who call from the map pack and they don't go any further. So by not being listed here and not being in the top 3, you're leaving money on the table. So what you need to do is get citations. What a citation is, it's the name of your business, the address, phone number, and website, and having those listed in a variety of places like Yellow Book, Facebook, Yelp, etc. And you need to have a lot more of those than your competitor. So now, if you follow these tips that I've provided you today, you can become #1 across Google in every one of your niches. And I know you're probably wondering, well, what do I do now? Well, you can either take this information I've given you and apply it yourself, and that's okay because it's free education. I just ask that you please give me some feedback and let me know what you think of this video. If you do want help getting this stuff done and don't want to have to worry about it, go ahead and give me a call and we can chat. Thank you so much for your time, and I look forward to speaking with you soon.